Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we've got a Mark 7.5 Gulf R in for numerous upgrades, one of which being the OEM Plus Stage 3. What we're going to do is give you basically a walkthrough of what's going on, get some footage as the parts are being fitted, dyno, and the results afterwards. Okay, so we've got obviously this car, other than the intake, is pretty much stock, so we've got quite a bit of hardware to fit. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start with the turbo and the downpipe and go from there. Okay guys, so stock intercooler removed from the vehicle. This one is going to be installed with the APR intercooler, so for better cooling performance on the inlet tract. This should keep the intake air temps down to a minimum. It's one of the best performing on the market. In my opinion, fits really well. Pretty much a straight swap. You can see how much larger, the core is to the stock one. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so we've removed the stock IS38 turbo from the vehicle and we're about to install the RacingLine Stage 3 kit. So this kit comprises of the IS38 hybrid turbo from RacingLine. You get a nice Stage 3 special edition turbo inlet pipe and muffler delete. You also get the silicon turbo intake pipe also. So as you can see, the hybrid turbo comes with obviously a larger compressor wheel compared to the stock one, which is over there. And on the hot side, you can see that the turbine wheel is much larger, so gives us quite a bit more capability over the stock turbo. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to install this one into the vehicle and go from there. One of the checks that we're going to do before we put the spark plugs in, we're going to carry out a compression test. We're then going to bore scope the cylinder and then install the spark plugs. Yeah, Jed? Yeah. Install the spark plugs. We've gone for the NGK Racing, the 8-9s, the ones with the side ground electrode. One of the reasons we like this plug is just because of the actual ceramic of the plug is set inside the threaded part of the plug. Just gives it a little bit of added protection. What we're going to do, obviously we're going to throw these in, not literally, we're going to place them in gently and we are going to torque them down. Torque set. And there we go. Right, okay guys, now that we're off the dyno, okay guys, now that we're off the Geo, we're just about to flash the ECU, the TCU with the OEM Plus software. Then we're going to run it on the dyno, we're going to log it, we're going to see what power it's making, make sure everything's good, take it out on the road and do the same thing. and go from there. Right, okay guys, I guess that concludes the video. OEM Plus Stage 3 Golf R made 488 horsepower, it's about 496 PS and 434 foot-pounds, which is around 590 newton meters. So nice torques capped for obviously reliability. We're not, although the turbo's capable for over 500 horsepower, it's kept, you know, under the 2-bar to make sure it's as safe and as reliable as it can be. So, you know, it's not going to be out there breaking world records, but it's going to be super fun for whoever, you know, gets to drive it. Right guys, thank you for watching. Can you subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and we'll carry on bringing you content and try and bring you more content to keep you entertained during this next lockdown. So you guys keep safe out there.